To turn off Talkback in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings, and here I will add that I don't have Talkback currently on, but I will show you how to get there. It's very annoying to record a video with it as it speaks over me all the time. So now we need to open settings, as I said, then scroll all the way to the bottom. On some of the buttons you will need to press twice, otherwise they won't work, because that's how the Talkback works. So go to the additional settings right here, then accessibility, and then enter vision. That way will be hearing, no, vision. It didn't toggle, sorry. Then there's a Talkback on the top, and you can turn it off with this switch. Now I will briefly enable it.
Finish tutorial button. Finished reviewing. You can come back to the tutorial anytime in Talkback settings. Finish. Finished. 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 Allow Android accept. Talkback. Checked. Pop-up window. Turn off. Talkback off.
And now it's off. It's very annoying. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.